Unbox my
So I
GaNinno
got another
package with
for
me.
you. Let's open it. So this package is from GaNinno, where they have like these base for pop sockets and other MagSafe accessories. You can, GaNinno, I love the logo. You can switch out like the pop socket. So there's gonna be the base and they can custom make whatever base you want, or you can just get a regular base of it and then you would stick your pop socket on it. So let me show you. Oh my goodness. So they sent me a pop socket. I can only imagine what the other is gonna be. So this is gonna be the base. I also got a kickstand, which I'm super excited about both of them. And I'll tag them so you can check out the link in their bio to where you can go and get one of these. So these are the directions. It's showing you how to apply it. And now on to the MagSafe base for the pop socket. So it's clear right here and it's hard. So this is where I would stick it on my phone and see, it's super hard to get off, super hard. Now let's open the little pop socket they gave me and we'll attach that. And it's glitter, it all matches. Look at how pretty that is, I love it. Let's stick it on. Okay. Stick it on right here. And then pull it out. And there you go. Instead of having that big, like, bulky one that comes all the way down and you want to show off your phone a little bit more, have some style that goes along with it because they make them and they can even put your name right there. You just got to request it. Ooh, now let's look at the other one they sent me. GaNinno. You got to check them out. The prices aren't too bad either. They're a small business and we strive for small businesses. We love them. Okay, so this is going to be the kickstand. I absolutely love it. So we just extend this little piece and it turns into a stand. Just like that. And you can turn it sideways. So if you're sitting and you're watching TV or a show. And it's also nice if you want to make some content. So go check them out because you won't be disappointed. Link is in their bio and I will tag them down below.